Do you feel lost today? Do you feel like life is moving too fast and you're barely keeping up? Take a deep breath. God is calling you. He is calling you to believe. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, right this moment. You are never alone. Even when the world feels heavy, even when your heart feels broken, God is with you. He sees your struggles. He hears your prayers, and He knows your heart better than anyone else ever could. Sometimes belief feels hard. Sometimes hope seems distant. But faith is not about seeing the road ahead. It's about trusting the one who is guiding your steps. God is calling you to trust Him, even when you don't understand, even when the answers are hidden, even when the storms are raging, because He is bigger than your fears. He is stronger than your doubts. And His love, it never fails. So, pause today. Take a moment and listen. Listen to that quiet whisper in your heart. That gentle voice saying, "Do not be afraid. I'm with you. I have not forgotten you. I have plans for you, and they are good." You are called to believe, to rise above the pain, to see the light through the darkness, to hold on to hope when everything feels impossible. Believe in miracles. Believe in grace. Believe in the God who turns your trials into triumphs. Today, say yes to Him. Say yes to His love. Say yes to His plan for your life. Because when you believe, when you trust, when you open your heart, nothing can stop the blessings God has for you. You're not defined by your mistakes. You are not limited by your fears. You are a child of God, and He is calling you to shine. So rise up, take a deep breath, and let your faith speak louder than your doubts. God is calling you, and all He asks is that you believe. Believe in Him. Believe in yourself. Believe in the life He is preparing for you. It starts now. It starts with a single step. It starts with a whisper of faith. And with God by your side, everything is possible. So today, answer the call and believe. But belief is just the beginning. It is the seed that grows into courage, into action, into miracles. Take that first step, even if it feels small, even if the path ahead is unclear. Every step you take in faith brings you closer to the life God has promised. Remember, the storms you face are not meant to break you. They are shaping you. They are preparing your heart for greater joy, deeper peace, and unstoppable strength. When doubt tries to whisper, listen instead to the truth. You are never alone. You are never forgotten. You are never without hope. Open your heart fully. Open your mind to possibilities you've never imagined. And watch how God works in ways you could never have planned. Joy will return. Peace will settle. And your faith will shine brighter than ever before. So rise, stand tall, step forward, and let God's light guide every decision, every dream, every heartbeat. Because when you believe, miracles are not just possible. They are inevitable. And today, the world waits for the hope only you can carry. Answer the call, believe, and live in the fullness of His love. And live in the fullness of His love. But God's calling doesn't stop there. It calls you to shine, even in the darkest places. To be a beacon of hope when others feel lost. To speak words of kindness, courage, and faith that inspire hearts around you. Every act of love, every moment of patience, every choice to trust. It matters more than you realize. You are part of a greater plan, a story only God could write. And you are the hero of your own chapter. Do not wait for perfection. Do not wait for the fear to disappear. Start where you are. Start with what you have, and let God multiply it into miracles beyond imagination. Your prayers, your hopes, your dreams.
They are heard.
They are held. They are treasured by the one who knows you best. So keep believing, even when it's hard. Keep hoping, even when it seems impossible. Keep loving, even when it's inconvenient. Because in every step of faith, in every heartbeat of courage, God is there, moving, guiding, blessing, turning your small acts into great victories. And remember this, every sunrise is a reminder of His mercy. Every challenge is a chance to grow stronger. Every tear you shed is being transformed into joy. You may not see it yet. You may not feel it now. but the seeds of hope you plant today will bloom tomorrow. Rise today with a heart full of gratitude, with eyes open to possibility, with a spirit ready to embrace the life God has prepared for you. Speak words of life. Show love without hesitation. Walk boldly in faith, knowing that every step is guided. And when fear whispers in your ear, remember, you are never alone. You are never forgotten. You are never without purpose. Your story is unfolding, and every chapter, every twist, every moment is designed to lead you to greater joy, greater peace, and greater love than you ever imagined. So shine your light, love without holding back, and trust that God is using you to bring hope to this world. Answer the call, believe, and step into the destiny that was created for you from the beginning. I'm in. Comment, I believe.